Aloha, cleaning my Mitsubishi AC and the blower is stuck.
Hi there. How can I help?
I have completely removed the set screw and the blower wheel is still stuck.
What's the year and model of your Mitsubishi?
Mr. Slim MSC G06/09/12/15/18 Na.
Is there anything else the Mitsubishi Mechanic should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, I don't think so.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm sorry you are having this issue. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame, I should be able to immediately respond. However, at times it may take a little while for a response depending on workload. Outside of that time frame, my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile. One thing you can try is soaking the blower wheel and shaft in ice water to see if that will free it up. The next thing to try is heat. Oftentimes going from cold to heat will break them free.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.